I'm really excited to be walking you through one of our newly launched features today, which is LILT Create for Contentful. This feature ties together two of our product areas that both Spence and Vignesh have talked about, which are LILT Create and our connectors. Our customers have been able to send content for localization through Contentful for a while now, but this new feature that we launched is the integration with LILT Create. To give a little bit of background on LILT Create. This is our multilingual content generation product that allows you to quickly create on-brand, locally relevant content in any language, and LILT Create supports over 100 languages. What we do is we pair LILT's infrastructure with your preferred LLM, as Vignesh just shared, and your company's content and preferences to create that brand-aligned business content in the language of your choice. So with LILT Create, you receive enterprise-grade quality content because we leverage your historical business context and your unique contextual AI models as a reference point while creating content. This also means that we integrate your company-specific terminology by weaving terms and keywords from your model throughout your text. This also means that we support 90% faster creation cycles. So LILT Create eliminates steps in the process to get content in front of your customers faster. With our workflow, you can eliminate manual or repetitive steps of content exchange, translation, review, approval, whatever you might have in your typical localization workflow to streamline this content generation and again, get your content in front of customers faster. Create also has a local relevance component. So with LILT Create, you can select a specific language locale to integrate that local context and tone within your company message. So for example, that difference between multiple English markets, we might have a US English or UK English. With LILT Create, we can ensure that spelling or cultural references are relevant to that language locale that you selected. And then finally, LILT Create integrates your company's specific tone and stylistic preferences through our centralized style guide. This is something that's saved across all LILT Create users in your organization, whether you're using LILT Create in lilt.com or in one of our connectors I'll show today within Contentful. So now that we know a little bit more about LILT Create, going back to what we've recently launched, which is LILT Create for Contentful, and this allows you to efficiently create content directly within your content management system. And so LILT Create for Contentful, because we're in your content management system, we can save time and streamline workflows even more so than before across a variety of enterprise user use cases. So whether you're a product or a content marketer, a brand manager, or any other role within the content creation spectrum, Create is especially relevant for regional marketing teams who want to generate content directly in another language without needing to translate from English.